When are we going in to help them out?
Don't you hear those big-ass guns? They have plenty of help, and I, for one, do not want to catch a stray bullet.
Four of us ain't gonna be able to do much.
Yeah, I mean, as long as the battle keeps going on down there, whatever the fuck they're fighting, and it doesn't cross the bridge towards us, it's not my circus, not my monkeys.
That's kind of some bullshit. I mean, we're supposed to help protect everyone.
I mean, who would we really be protecting over there? Realistically, I need one of you to radio the fire department. They got the equipment to deal with some of that, but I mean, they're better suited to deal with big fires and explosions than we are. So, somebody get on the radio with the fire department, please. We really ought to steer clear of all that mess. Got the locals to think of, really. I mean, nobody else will help them out if whatever the fuck's over there makes its way towards them.
Those preppers are probably having a field day right now. The last people I ever wanted to be right.
Nobody's gonna believe them anyway.
They'll believe this.
If anybody's around to see it.
Yeah.
Holy shit, you guys hear all that? It's gonna fire everywhere.
Yeah, it sounded like the apartment's tech employees lived at, man.
Fuck. Let me hop on the radio and try and radio that convoy. Other than that, we need to get the fuck out of here.
Yeah.
That shit just doesn't make sense.
Are you folks still on this line? Can anyone hear me? Over. This thing should be able to reach him with no problems. I gave him this frequency, too. That's not
I
good.
think the radios are still broadcasting.
They should be. I don't know. Well, two of you guys, both of you guys go look into those shots at the apartments just in case it's something we can handle. But, radio me back ASAP, alright?
Yeah.
Tomorrow morning we
rather
need
help
to have
somebody.
a meeting too. So if you guys get done with that, I'm gonna try and make my way towards Portland and see if what's going on over there, and just see if we can use the police station there for a meeting or something. Because we're gonna have to get everybody together.
All right.
Copy that.
All right, stay in touch, boys.
All right.
Will do.
Fuck.